Oh God. He's okay. It's a good day, you guys.
I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. You better believe they're looking for me. One time. I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. They're looking for me. Yeah. One time. I'm going for mine. You put it on mine.
All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. So I'm actually running a little bit late this morning. I'm supposed to go meet a couple buddies at a parking lot, and we're actually gonna be driving up to Winter Park today, which I'm super pumped about because this is like one of those moments in the ski season where like a big thing happens and it kind of sets the trend for the rest of the season. So last week, my favorite part of Winter Park just opened up, the Mary Jane side of the resort. And today is the first day that I'm actually gonna go up and ski it. There's been quite a bit of snow dropping at Mary Jane the last couple days, and took off work today to go up there and find out what that's all about. Let's go meet up with these buddies of mine and see what Winter Park's looking like today. What's up, dudes? Hello? Hello. We just finally made up to the Mary Jane side here at Winter Park. Glad we finally made it up because we had a little problem getting up here. Buddy Joe's car here driving up was having a little bit of trouble going over 45 miles an hour. Had to stop in Empire, make a couple adjustments, top off on oil, but we finally made it. It looks so nice up here right now. Like there's fresh turns you can already see on top of the resort. And there's hardly anyone here in the parking lot. I know it's midweek, but the conditions look really good out today. So we're gonna throw our gear on, get on the mountain, and let's take a lap for you guys. This ain't bad at all. Thought I was gonna be all tracked out for today, but whew, this ain't bad at all, you guys. Nothing like your first lap to be a black run off moguls, right guys? First run on Mary Jane, and we're already busting through moguls that usually this run isn't that great until late December, let alone early. This is so good. It's awesome all around me too. You can just hear people hooting and hollering, just loving the day. Probably other people's first day off Mary Jane, just like me, but this is so good. Last year, I think my first day off of Mary Jane was New Year's, or it was like close to Christmas. We actually had a really good powder day, but I mean nothing compared to what the resort's already looking like right now. All right, back down to the Mary Jane base. I think we're gonna go up that super gauge lift again, but you guys, let's have a day. All right, gang, so me and the buddies have been absolutely having an awesome morning. We've actually been hanging off the Lonesome Whistle lift because the tree runs over there have just been epic. They've been so good. And now we're actually on the Pony Express lift, which is a 2-seater that's at the main Mary Jane base. We're gonna go back up here, hit some more runs, but I don't know what else there is to say besides absolutely gorgeous day. There's honestly no wind up here whatsoever. And for it being midweek, there's hardly anybody up here. So we're just having a day, having an awesome time. Let's keep it going. So after a couple more runs off the Pony Express, we decided to come back down to the base of Mary Jane, grab ourselves a couple coffees, and we're just gonna hang out up here for a little while. But these views over here, absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Having an awesome day. We're gonna get back out there in a little bit for you, but for right now, just gonna take it easy and enjoy these views. There's stuff underneath me, but I don't care. It's so good. It's so good. Once it hits your skis, it's so good.
One time, I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. You better believe they're looking for me. One time, I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. They're looking for me. Yeah. One time, I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. You better believe they're looking for me. One time, I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. Looking for me. Yeah, I gotta go, and this I go. I'm dying a legend, it's just so you know. Yeah.
Oh God. He's okay. It's a good day, you guys.
I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. You better believe they're looking for me. One time, I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. They're looking for me. Yeah. One time, I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. You better believe they're looking for me. One time, I'm going for mine. You put it on mine. Looking for me. One time. Yeah, I gotta go. This how it goes. Yeah, I'm dying a legend, and just so you know. One time. I gotta go. This how it goes. Yeah, I'm dying a legend, and just so you know. Yeah. One time. I'm going for mine. Going for mine. You put it on me. You put it on me. One time. You better believe. You better believe. You better believe they're looking for me. Yeah. One time. I'm going for mine.
All right, everybody, just got back to the car and I am beat. I don't really know what else to say besides that. And I had an awesome day up in Mary Jane today. First day open that I've been able to ride up there, and just a part of Winter Park that it's so special to a lot of people. And I think it's just a place that everyone has to try at least once when you're out here skiing, especially at Winter Park. Mary Jane is just, it's just such an awesome area. It's definitely an area of Winter Park that knocks off a lot of categories for different skiers and snowboarders alike. I just want to say real quick too, thank you to all the new subscribers, people that like and comment on all these videos. It just means the world. And the fact that I can make these videos for you guys and you are kind of enjoying or following along a little bit, It's just so awesome, and I think it's a great way to stay kind of connected as far as like a ski, snowboard community. So with that, I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope to see you OOT and ABOOT. We'll see you in the next one.